Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make fixing household appliances straightforward and stress-free. Today, we're diving into a common issue with KitchenAid dishwashers. Error code 721 from 2025 models. If your dishwasher is displaying this code, it usually signals a problem with the float switch or water level detection, which can halt your machine mid-cycle. Don't panic. With a few simple steps, you could have it running smoothly again in no time. Let's get started. First things first, safety is key. Before you do anything, unplug your dishwasher from the wall to avoid any electrical mishaps. This gives you a safe window to inspect and troubleshoot. Now, locate the float switch. It's typically a small plastic piece at the bottom of the dishwasher tub that looks like a cup floating in place. Gently remove it and check for any debris, like food particles or buildup, that might be causing it to stick. Give it a thorough clean with a soft cloth and warm, soapy water, then dry it completely before putting it back. Next, inspect the area around the float switch for any blockages. Make sure the drain is clear and that there's no standing water that could be triggering the error. If everything looks good, reset your dishwasher by pressing and holding the cancel or reset button for about 10 seconds. Plug it back in and run a test cycle to see if the error code has cleared. If the code persists, it might be a more complex issue, like a faulty float switch or a problem with the control board. In that case, it's time to call in a professional technician to avoid causing further damage. Remember, regular maintenance, like cleaning the filter every few months, can prevent these errors from popping up in the first place. There you have it. A quick and easy guide to fixing KitchenAid error code 721. We hope this helps you get your dishwasher back on track. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.